Today, we will continue to explore the prophecies of Mother Shipton that seem to describe what will happen soon, in what some would call the end times. Mother Shipton wrote,
"For storms will rage and oceans roar when Gabriel stands on sea and shore, and as he blows his wondrous horn, old worlds die and new be born."
Mother Shipton's reference to Gabriel may represent the Archangel Gabriel. It is said that when this angel blows the horn, it announces Judgment Day. Certainly, we seem to be facing judgment time with the tumultuous world events and natural disasters that we have been experiencing. Mother Shipton went on to write,
"A fiery dragon will cross the sky 6 times before this earth shall die. Mankind will tremble and frightened be, for the 6th heralds in this prophecy."
Many scientists believe that our Earth has experienced 5 mass extinctions to date. These are referred to as the Big Five and are thought to have consisted of dramatic and rapid changes in the climate, as well as changes on the land and oceans, including intense volcanic activity. Many experts worldwide have warned that humanity is now facing our 6th mass extinction, and that this is caused by human activity. As we know, the animal people meat industry is the leading cause of climate change and has created much heavy karma for our world. As we featured last week, some of our association members received inner visions that show the impending global-scale disasters. The following is another testimony by our association member.
内在体验见到末日景象。我因累世的修行根底，自11岁起，即常常下地狱救亲友，有许多殊胜的超世界经历。1992年。在入定中看到未来将有大城市会出现大天坑，地面会瞬间出现巨大的大黑洞天坑，把整个大城市和蚂蚁般的人们强行吸了进去，吞没无踪。有另外一个业障深重的繁华大城市，则是瞬间天崩地裂，地面裂开，吞噬大城市与人们之后，又再度合起来，把所有东西夹在地底下。2004年，因上帝内在的指示，迁移到某沿海城市定居。内在上帝派我去那里坐镇，长时间为世界打坐。那时又在定中看到未来世界即将变异的异象，气候异常，冰山大量溶解，巨量的水让海平面大幅上升，把日本、韩国、台湾或福尔摩沙大陆沿海城市全都淹没在水下。当时我家住在42楼，看到42楼以下全是汪洋，如刘伯温的预言，繁华市变汪洋。
繁华市变汪洋，高楼阁变泥缸。
这种景象在日常定中看到了足足有1年之久。人类在业力巨大的反哺下极为渺小无助。
According to both of our association members, the global-scale destruction that would wipe out the majority of humanity happened for 7 consecutive days, just like Mother Shipton's prophecy seems to reveal.
For 7 days and 7 nights, man will watch this awesome sight, the tides will rise beyond their ken, to bite away the shores, and then the mountains will begin to roar, and earthquakes split the plain to shore, and flooding waters rushing in will flood the lands with such a din that mankind cowers in muddy fen and snarls about his fellow men.
These prophetic verses seem to indicate a possible comet or an asteroid that will cross the sky like a fiery dragon. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, has discovered a massive asteroid that they say could affect our Earth. The asteroid is larger than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on our planet, and although the asteroid is expected to travel past our Earth a few times over the next few years, it will be the closest to our planet on June the 6th, 2027. NASA warns that there is still a danger that this asteroid could alter its path and collide with our planet. From studying the effects that ensued after an asteroid hit Earth at the end of the Cretaceous period, scientists now believe that this caused a worldwide tsunami that began as a wave over 1.5 kilometers in height. It has been calculated that the impact of that tsunami was up to 30,000 times larger than the energy in the Indian Ocean earthquake tsunami that occurred in December 2004. This latter tsunami is one of the largest in our modern history, and models show that the effects of the Cretaceous period tsunami took up to a week to dissipate. What could Mother Shipton have meant when she described that the mountains will begin to roar? If we look at the events at the end of the Cretaceous period, we see that scientists have concluded that the Mount Everest-sized asteroid that hit Earth also created a massive earthquake that triggered volcanic eruptions in undersea volcanoes. Researchers also believe that the impact of the asteroid blasted fault lines and created magnitude 12 earthquakes. The largest earthquake on recent record struck Chile in 1960 and launched a tsunami across the Pacific Ocean, leading to the death of thousands of people. But in comparison, the Chilean earthquake was at a magnitude of 9.4. The difference between a 9.4 and a magnitude 12 earthquake is massive, with the latter believed to have sent out seismic waves, pushing magma into the Earth's crust and creating eruptions. Could history repeat itself in the near future? During a conference with Supreme Master Television team members, our most beloved Master, with utmost concern, also shared her revelations of future events.
Remember last time we were talking about 2027?
Yes, Master.
When the vision of one person shown the whole world to be empty, everywhere of humanity and animal people and any activities. Remember that?
Yes, Master.
So this phenomena, this event, this negative event, this horrific event will start in November 2027 onward, all the way until November 2031.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
I wrote here that will wipe out humanity.
Wow.
Oh God.
So the world people will die 72%.
Oh dear God. Terrible.
But they told me, you and initiates will survive for a long time.
Oh.
So you say that I and the initiates will continue to live, what do we live for? If everybody dies, what do we live for and what do we live on? They said, anything, any food left in the field, you can eat.
Master,
Yeah.
is there any good news for 2027?
Oh, I'm sorry. I wish we had. No.
Oh.
It's bad news, but I just didn't want to tell. For example, I wanted to find out what they mean by weapons of karmic poison to suffocate people.
Oh.
They didn't answer me directly, but the vision is the earth will, this is exactly what they told me. The earth will be swollen.
Wow.
You hear me now? Yeah? Swollen.
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
And then will bust. And these are hot substances, hot magma, lava from the earth will flow out and kill everyone, whoever is nearby.
Wow. Oh my God.
No.
Will kill a lot of people.
Wow.
Because they didn't answer me, but I guess that is a weapon of karmic poison.
Oh.
And also other things from the sky will fall down. The earth will be, I don't know if the earth will even exist. Not to talk about humans.
Wow. So scary.
Terrible.
The inside of the earth is very hot.
Yes,
Master.
Master.
And maybe because of karmic consequences, it will come nearer to the crust of the earth, nearer to the surface, and then it will just explode like that.
Wow.
And recently I think I read somewhere that scientists have discovered that the hot substance or lava from inside the earth have come nearer to the earth's crust, about 100 miles away only.
Wow.
And this is too near.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.